Hello guys, we're in the lab actually. This is where we test the equipments. You see there are lots of equipments here, and today I'm going to show you the 4 most notorious equipments to work with the Sogen, literally known as the Sogen Killers. According to our research, the microwave, the toaster, and the heat gun, and also the air compressor, these 4 are the most notorious equipments that require a high startup current for Sogen. So today we're going to show you how Pssst Pro handle these products. Okay, now the first one is the toaster. We start with the small one. So it's, you can see 600 watts. This is, I think it's a 700 watts toaster. Okay. Oh, it's hot and fresh. Okay, the second one is the heat gun. Actually, you can turn the temperature here. The higher the temperature, the higher the output. Now it's 1,400. Okay, third one is the microwave. Oh, it's already working. Okay, that's it. Now this is the air compressor. Actually, it's the rated power is only 800 watts, but actually it could go up to 1,600 to 2,400 watts. So now let's see how Pssst Pro handles it.